Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. This is the petal shape that I used to make this flower. You can find this template on Google with the keyword 5 petals flower template. I use crepe fabric for this flower. It has a beautiful texture. Place the fabric on top of a ceramic tile and place the template. I used a soldering iron to cut the fabric into this flower shape. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with the template like this. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see the description below. Cut a hole at the center, like this. Now I will show you how to stiffen the fabric. Prepare fabric stiffener, paper towels, and tweezers. Dip the fabric like this. Place the fabric on several layers of paper towels. Let the fabric dry by placing it in front of a fan, about 10 to 15 minutes. I have stiffened the fabric. Now let's shape the fabric using another soldering iron. I use knife tip like this. You can see the shape. Draw a line on each petal, like this. We will have this petal shape. Now turn it over and draw 2 lines next to the previous line. And we will have a beautiful shape like this. Make 4 pieces of this and prepare stamen. I will tie the stamen . Stitch right into the hole in the center of the flower. Slide the first 2 petals and use hot glue to secure. Slide the 3rd petal and the last petal. To finish the flower, cut this and secure with hot glue. Our beautiful fabric flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this fabric flower tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.